All right. Right, everyone see, this is don't do the examination, subjective examination, don't follow this methods. Right, see the logarithmic derivatives, everyone put the heading is logarithmic derivatives, derivatives, logarithm derivative. Right, see the method is logarithm derivative, see the method. So here is, if y is equal to f of x power of p multiplication g of x power of q under multiplication by h of x whole power of r is given, then dy by dx is required. Then dy by dx is required. So this is the seesaw method. We say that simple see and do the problem. Simple see and do the problem. So power problem is given. Immediately, how can you do this problem is, so power by function into derivative of that function. Power into by function p by f of x into derivative of function. Into derivative of function. First y write down logarithm, that is the repeated. Y function is repeated. So again, second one, power by its function into its derivative. Denominator is put it as a minus. Denominator put it as a minus. Power by function, r is the power, function is the h of x into function derivative h dash x in h. How it is came, sir? That is the doubt. I will do the hint of the problem in long procedure of the textbook model. Textbook model I will do. So long procedure, very simple. See and do method. See, what is the problem is the logarithmic, number of multiplication, division is the logarithmic method, simple. Power by function into its derivative. Power by function into its derivative. Denominator is the minus, write down. Numerator is the logarithm plus. Denominator is the minus, write down. Everyone, minus power r by its function into derivative. That's enough. So very how it is came, sir. I will take log y is equal to logarithm of f of x to the power of p g of x to the power of q by the g of x to the power of q by h of x to the power of r. By the logarithmic multiplications, or make it as a plus, denominator make it as a minus. Log of f of x to the power of p plus log of g of x to the power of q minus log of h of x to the power of r. In logarithm, power comes before. So log y is equal to p into log of f of x plus q into log of g of x minus r into log of h of x. R into log of h of x. Is it clear, everyone? Right. Now apply the derivative. Differentiation with respect to x. This is the ordinary method we did in the textbook. Subject to log y derivative is the 1 by y into dy by dx. P is the coefficient. Log derivative is the 1 by f of x by the chain rule. F dash f of x derivative is the f dash x plus q coefficient. Log derivative is the 1 by g of x by the chain rule. G of x derivative is the g dash x. R coefficient, and log derivative is the 1 by h of x by the chain rule. H of x derivative is the h dash x. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to y into p by f of x into f dash x plus q by g of x into g dash x minus r by h of x into h dash x is the formula. Okay, na? Very, this formula is no need to prove, is not necessary. Remember, for your understanding only I will work out, but not necessary. Right? See, the very simple. Any number of multiplication is given in the derivative. Simply we can write its power by any problem. X, any problem, number of multiplication, logarithmic is needed means we can apply that method. So see, power by function p by f of x, p y into, first y into, you should be remembered, y into, y should be repeated. So function will be repeated. So power by f of x derivative, power by g of x into g of x derivative, denominator, that's why minus power by h of x into g of, same we are getting in the denominator. Any problem, very simply do, see and do problem. See and do, that is the method. Yeah, right. I go through the noting is completed. I go through the one problem. See, very simple we can do. Right. First problem. If y is equal to root over 1 minus x square, 2x minus 3 whole power of 1 by 2, 1 by 3, sorry, 1 by 3 by x square plus 2 whole power of 2 by 3. Then dy by dx is, then dy by dx is. Right, see, I will write very simply, see. I will write formula, simple answer I will write, see. So dy by dx, simply only one line I will complete, dy by dx, repeated of y, its power by, power is the one, root means 1 by 2 by function 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square derivative is the 2x. Next, plus multi power 1 by 3 by function 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3 derivative is 2. Denominator minus 2 by 3 power by function x square plus 2. So x square plus 2 derivative is the 2x. Finish. Problem is completed. So answer is dy by dx is equal to y repeated once again. So 2 cancel, minus x by 1 minus x square. Next, plus 2 by 3 into 2x minus 3. Here is minus 4x by 3 into x square plus 2. Finish. Problem is completed. Problem is